Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using two pens like this one called that are the Pentels. I think that's how you pronounce it, Pentels. They come in a package, I think, of 10. You get these two pens. What to use? I transferred some polyacrylic. The solution is clear satin into this container. I'm going to use this Recollection bubblegum glitter, which is like a pinkish glitter. I also got this little kit from Amazon a while back. I don't even remember, it's been so long. And I'm going to use this blue. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is remove everything from the pen and not lose it. And I have like a little cup here as well, in which I'm going to put this polyacrylic solution inside it. I'm just gonna put my finger here on this end so it doesn't come out. You're gonna want to twirl it around so I could coat the inside of it. Twirl it around, and then this polyacrylic, right now it looks cloudy, but eventually once it dries, it will turn clear. So you continue doing this for both pens, and we'll be right back. Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes. Got this one. And the pen, the cloudiness went away. Okay. This one's still wet a little bit in the bottom, but whatever, we'll work with it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this plain piece of paper, I'm gonna pour some glitter on here. I always forget to open this up. That should be enough. And I take the glitter, kind of create like a funnel. Hopefully I can pour it inside of here. Oh, I'm over here looking to see if there's any more glitter. Okay, so all the glitter is in here. So just twirl it around. Whatever excess, just tap it out. Okay. And that's what it looks like. You could do another second layer, you just have to wait till it dries up. That's that one. Okay, let me just wipe this a little bit there. Okay, so with this one, do the same thing. I'm going to open this blue one. Okay, pour some of it on the paper. Same process. We can let it dry and give it another layer. Okay, be right back. So the pen is now completely dry. It looks a little bit patchy, but whatever. I still like the way it came out. going to assemble it. See if it goes through. Kind of difficult. So the pink one, I was able to put it together. I do like it, however, it's a bit transparent, but still like it. Some things would be for my own anyways. Now, what I did was, let me remove this blue one. I took a little pin like this and just started scraping the sides. Because what it does is that it removes some of the glitter here, so the pen could be assembled, because if not, it won't go through. And let's see if it works now. It took me a couple tries with the pink one off camera. No, have to keep on doing this till the pen is able to be put together. Okay, now I like the way it came out. And you put it together and that's it. It is all done. If you ask me, I like the blue one better, but I like both of them anyways. But thanks for watching. Come back next week for another tutorial. Bye.